Highlights of today's defense news, 2nd of September 25. Axiscades bags order worth 150 crore rupees with DRDO for strategic electronics. DRDO facility helps develops underwater signaling flares for Kalvari-class submarines for Indian Navy. DRDO partners with Apollo Microsystems to advance anti-ship missile technology. Russia offers combat-proven Orion mail drone with TOT to India's critical tri-service ISR requirements. Saab to develop large underwater drone for Sweden. Sweden and Finland order HF manpack radios hardened against jamming and interception. A look at the news in detail. Axiscades has bagged a new order worth rupees 150 crores in the defense sector. Subsidiary Mistral Solutions has secured a significant new order from Combat Aircraft Systems Development and Integration Center (CASDIC) of DRDO. The order is for the development of 10 electronic control units for the cooling system for the Su-30 MKI upgrade. It was awarded for prototype development and will be followed by a forecast production order for an estimated 600 electronic control units with a value of rupees 150 crores over a period of 5 years. In July, Axiscades had bagged new orders worth 600 crore rupees in strategic electronics discipline. The order involved the development and supply of advanced subsystems for some of the most sophisticated indigenous platforms being developed by leading defense agencies like DRDO and defense PSUs. Axiscades is a leading end-to-end engineering and technology solution provider catering to sectors like energy, heavy engineering, aerospace, defense, and automotive, among others. High Energy Materials Research Laboratory HAMRL Pune has successfully developed an underwater signaling system, Signal Star Naval Flare, for deployment on Kalvari-class submarines of the Navy. The Signal Star Naval Flare is a specially designed underwater signaling device tailored to the demanding operational needs of submarines. It is ejected from the submarine signal ejector, travels through the water column, and activates upon surfacing. Once at the surface, the flare ignites a high-intensity pyrotechnic charge, producing a bright star-like light visible at long ranges, even at night or in adverse weather. The flare is housed in a pressure-resistant casing, ensuring reliable operation even under high underwater pressures. On reaching the surface, hydrostatic mechanisms initiate the flare's functioning. A specially formulated pyrotechnic composition produces bright red or green star signals depending on the tactical requirement. These colors are standardized for naval communication. Red signal flare indicates distress, emergency, or an urgent tactical message, while the green signal flare is used for identification, recognition, or as a safe operational signal during fleet maneuvers. Each flare burns with high luminosity and a sustained duration, ensuring visibility to surface vessels and aircrafts. The signal star naval flare forms a critical part of submarine signaling and safety equipment. The red and green star signals provide a universally recognized visual code for submarines to communicate with friendly ships or aircrafts without breaking stealth. The red star flares can act as an emergency locator, aiding rescue and recovery operations. These flares are used in naval drills and simulations to coordinate fleet actions and practice tactical signaling. They also provide an option for submarines to mark positions or send coded messages during underwater warfare operations. DRDO officially designated Apollo Microsystems as the production agency for the multi-influence ground mine Vighana, a cutting-edge naval mine designed to enhance India's maritime security. Alongside this, DRDO has also signed a transfer of technology agreement with the company for the omnidirectional multi-EFP, that is explosively formed penetrator warhead, a highly sophisticated weapon subsystem engineered for maximum effectiveness against naval targets. This technological advancement carries crucial significance as the warhead serves as the central element of the naval anti-ship missile short-range NASAM SR, a new generation missile under development by DRDO to vastly bolster the Navy's short-range strike capabilities against hostile ships and maritime threats. The NASAM SR, conceptualized to be launched from the helicopters and other frontline naval platforms, has been designed to deliver quick response anti-ship attacks at relatively short ranges where agility, speed, and pinpoint accuracy are imperative. Its compact size and adaptability make it an ideal weapon for enhancing India's naval strike assets across both littoral and deep sea operational environments. With the integration of the omnidirectional multi-EFP warhead, the missile gains a potent terminal lethality factor, ensuring effective engagement against a variety of enemy vessel types. Russia has put forward its Kronstadt Orion E unmanned aerial vehicle as a candidate to fulfill the Indian Armed Forces' urgent need for a new fleet of advanced drones. The proposal is aimed at meeting a critical tri-service requirement for 76 medium altitude long range endurance drones to significantly enhance India's intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision attack capabilities. A key component of the Russian proposal is a substantial transfer of technology package and the potential for local production in India. This moves this move places the Orion E in direct competition with other contenders, including indigenous systems like the DRDO's Tapas PH201 and prominent Western platforms like American MQ-9B Sea Guardian. A significant advantage highlighted in the proposal is the Orion drone's extensive combat experience. The platform, known as Inoghodets in Russia, has been actively deployed in hostile environments, including military operations in Syria and Ukraine. The capabilities and features of Orion UAV. Orion E is a multi-role male UAV engineered by the Kronstadt Group for a wide array of missions. The export configured drone is designed for reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, and targeted strikes in various weather conditions, both day and night. With a wingspan of 16.2 meters and a maximum takeoff height of 1,150 kilograms, the Orion E is built for endurance. It can remain airborne for up to 24 hours while carrying a standard 60-kilogram payload, operating at altitudes up to 7,500 meters. Its standard line of sight communication link has a range of 250 kilometers, which can be extended globally through satellite communication systems. The drone's mission effectiveness is supported by its ability to carry a maximum payload of 250 kilograms. This capacity allows for a flexible combination of advanced sensors, including electro-optical and infrared cameras, and laser target designators for guiding munitions. Its arsenal includes precision-guided weapons like the CAB-20 and CAB-50 bombs, UPAB-50 gliding bombs, and the recently unveiled S-8000 Banderol cruise missile, which has a reported range of 500 kilometers. This diverse armament allows the Orion E to engage a wide variety of targets from a safe standoff distance. Further, its demonstrated ability to engage other drones provides an added layer of air-to-air defense capability. Sweden has signed a $66.3 million contract with Saab to design, assemble, and test a large uncrewed undersea vessel. The LUUV will include sensors capable of mapping the seabed and detecting potential underwater threats, with a size planned to be comparable to a small submarine. Saab will integrate its flagship autonomous ocean core technology, which allows vessels to navigate independently on and below the water's surface. According to Saab, the resulting system will serve as a decision support tool for operators and will not carry weapons in its first phase. KNL's, KNL's cognitive network high frequency manpack radios, ordered by the Finnish Defence Forces and the Swedish Defence Materiel Administration, are designed for strong resilience against jamming and interception. The CNHF manpack is a portable HF transceiver which operates across the 1.6 to 5 to 54 MHz range and uses KNL's cognitive wideband HF waveform. The manpack supports more than 4,000 HF and very high frequency channels simultaneously, With automatic frequency hopping on detection of interference, a new link is established in 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, according to the company. The radios operate in global navigation satellite services, denied environments, and the system includes electronic counter measures. The radios integrated into command control communication, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance C4ISR network via Internet Protocol over HF. They also provide the following connectivity options: Ethernet, built in wireless local area network, and virtual private network support according to KNL. The radio's IP capabilities work alongside interfaces like simple mail transfer protocol and extensible messaging and presence protocol. In addition to multi-hop networking and adaptive frequency management, the manpack radio can be used to establish independent communication networks ranging from a few kilometers in distance to thousands of kilometers, according to KNL. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.